Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where I'll guide you through the journey of developing your own lending app in 2023. With the fintech space expanding rapidly and more consumers seeking digital solutions for their financial needs, lending apps have become a significant trend. Lending apps provide a bridge between borrowers and lenders, streamlining processes and making financial transactions smoother than ever. So the question arises, how do you craft a lending app that caters to the modern user's demands? Let's dive in and explore this step by step. What is a lending app? A lending app is a digital platform that enables users to borrow money or extend credit facilities to others, either on a peer-to-peer model or through institutional lending. The objective is to make the borrowing process transparent, fast, and accessible for everyone. How to create a lending app? Building a lending app requires more than just coding. It's a journey. Here's your roadmap. 1. Understand the lending landscape. Before diving into development, research the current market trends. What are the most sought-after features in existing lending apps? Who are the primary users, and what are their preferences? While many lending apps are available, there is always room for innovation. Pinpoint shortcomings in existing platforms and strategize on how your app can address them. 2. Choose the right technology stack. Your app's foundation is the technology you adopt, be it a web app or a mobile application. Understanding the optimal tech stack is paramount. For a web app, technologies like Node.js, React.js, and MongoDB can be beneficial. For mobile apps, Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android remain popular choices. 3. Monitor competitors. To offer a unique experience, keep tabs on your competitors. Recognize their strengths and limitations. Scrutinize their user experience and feature set. This will offer insights into the prevailing market trends. 4. Incorporate fintech open source libraries. Many fintech tools and libraries come open source, much like the crypto realm. Using these can speed up your development timeline. Integrate tools like Plaid or Yodlee for bank transactions, verifications, and more. 5. Ensure robust security. Financial data is sensitive, and security is paramount. Incorporate end-to-end encryption, biometric verification, and multi-factor authentication. Adhere to relevant regulations like GDPR or CCPA based on your target market. 6. Start with the development process. Start with crafting a prototype. This initial visual mock-up seamlessly lays out the app structure and flow, serving as a foundation. Building on that foundation, embrace the agile methodology for development. This iterative approach not only fosters flexibility, but also guarantees regular feedback, ensuring the product continuously evolves to meet user expectations. Then, as the development nears completion, it's prudent to roll out a beta version. This step is invaluable. It allows for real-world feedback, ensuring any necessary refinements are made. Once optimized, you're primed for a full-scale launch, pressing a well-rounded final version to the world. These are some of the important steps you need to follow to build a lending application. If you want to build a robust lending app, please get in touch with us. We are an award-winning technology company with vast experience crafting remarkable digital success stories for growth companies. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more educational and insightful content. Thanks for watching.